Email marketing allows you to target particular groups of customers or even specific individuals. Offering individual customers special birthday deals on merchandise or services is one way to do this. A restaurant, for instance, might send an email to customers on their birthdays offering 50% off an entry. Now, the first platform is Amplonedia, choosing by search on Google Chrome and enter it. Now, the homepage is appearing on the screen. Sendinblue is a S- Sendinblue is a SaaS solution for relationship marketing. The company was founded in 2007 by Armand Thieberge and Kapil Sharma and offers a cloud-based marketing communication software suite with email. Now the first platform is Amplonedia, choosing by search on Google Chrome and enter it. Now the homepage is appeared on the screen. In this we have to done write email marketing. Just join 300,000 plus companies growing their businesses with email marketing. Put their email and try us for free. On the top of the page, the first option is solution drop and see the future list as well. On the next, there will be pricing options, feature option which contain communication list, personalized list and convert list. Resource option have learning list, platform and partnership list as well. There is also blog option on the screen. Just scroll down and see pay for what you send. At Sendinblue, they can only charge on email base, which you can actually send. Here we can started with free. Here we can get started with free, light, premium and enterprise. In free there will be no charge, but the other all options are paid with different dollar amounts. You can easily sign up. Scroll down and see the property of free box account. I have unlimited contact, up to 300 email per day and one user chat as well. In next, they can support email, no daily limit and easily calculate the price. Move to next, there will be marketing automation, Facebook ads, landing page, multi-user access and telephone support. On next, in enterprise, there will be custom email, volume email, priority sending, 20 plus landing page and many more other options, etc. are shown. We can also add more in it. You can also select different price currencies in different list. For immediate access, you can easily done by free sign up with no credit card. It is powerful feature with no effort. We can design most beautiful campaign, smart segmentation and many more options like this. Sendinblue has all necessary integration for your success. Just scroll down and see the future detail about this. We can easily connect our favorite app and web services and don't know more and to gain more with our marketing. We can easily connect our favorite app and web services and do more with our marketing and transitional email. Just scroll down and see all about the platform. So it is easy to use and free platform for marketing. Let's open the second platform. Uber is one of the most powerful email marketing software providers out there currently. This is mainly because the company not only offers over 150 customizable email template options, it also allows you the freedom to decide when, how, and where the emails will be sent. As soon as we open our Uber homepage, a screen opens in front of us in which we see many options given on the left side. On the homepage, we can see how we can group, sell, and inspire with our audience on a single platform. Enter the first name, last name, email address, and click on the free start today option. Apart from this, there are other options on our homepage, at the top of which is our features option. Click on the features option. We have a new screen opens up within which we can send email easily and stat free. Scroll down and see the many more options like email template, lining curves, and email autopilot and any other, etc. The next option will be pricing. Click on it. There will be a plan support. You easy to step away. Here you can start with free and pro as well. In free you can start with up to 500 email subscribe, and in pro you are having 50 to 500 subscribe. In free we have landing page, email automation, web push notification, drag and drop builder, email template, sign up form, email commerce, e-commerce like this. You have many options in pro box. Scroll down, you can see different features and also sign up with free or pro. Below we have usage option, in which there will be subscriber limit like 500 with unlimited option. Also have send email with different specification, having list profile, landing page and email automation. Scroll down and note the different option under the email. Also having landing page with many more specifications, list buildings, segmentation reporting, offer, e-commerce, etc. In blog option the homepage will be latest and top articles with read time. On the right side also we see the free fall GIF guide. We can read all posts and stay in loop by adding name, email and sign up. There will be email marketing options where we have best practices for 2020 that drive results, free fall GIFs, etc. Scroll down and see different landing pages. Read about how to grow our audience like 22 brilliant lead magnet to grow your email list and many other options. Just scroll down and visit the whole page. Click on sign up options. Enter your email password and log in. Over left side we have also email automation videos. Now open the third option, in which they're easily created email with our drag and drop builder, or use our pre-designed templates that are impactful and relevant, but most importantly save your time. Now open the third platform, which is EuroMSG Express. It is fast, reliable and simple. The email marketing is easily created and sent immediately. You can sign up free as well. On the top of the page there are feature options, pricing options and resource, etc. Here you can sign up and log in free. There will be special startup, low cost, high revenue and user friendly. You can also do email marketing statistics as well. Zapier is a tool that helps you automate repetitive tasks between two or more apps. No code necessary. When an event happens in one app, Zapier can tell another app to perform or do a particular action. Open Zapier website, hover through the navigation bar. The first drop down is products, whose further options are how it works, features, customer support and security. The second drop down, explore, has options, popular ways to use Zapier, apps that work with Zapier, and explore Zapier by job role. Next comes the resources drop down, which includes links to blogs, experts, help center, communities, Zapier University and webinars. Below the navigation bar, different ways to integrate Zapier are stated. There are buttons to use new inbound email and create calendar task. Lastly, there is a button connect email by Zapier and HubSpot. So by using this website, you can easily sign up and use for email marketing, etc. After Zapier, go to next platform, GoDaddy. It's professional email where your business will look better than ever. On left side, there will be domain name, website hosting and email marketing. Click on last option. Here you are able to connect and grow with different options shown below. Go back and open website and hosting. This also we have product option. We can easily get started and warn the customer. Trust with professional email address that match your business name, and scroll down the page. Here you can choose your business plan. Also at the cart, we can also choose individual or team as well. We can choose this platform for customer confidence, award winning support and world-class security. Here we have both plain like modern, ad free, and award winning support. Okay, the top right you have able to select the number, having help option, also sign in the page. So this is end of our lecture. In this we can learn about 5 platform about email marketing. I hope you understand and learn from our lecture. If you have any questions, just drop your query in comment section. Stay